Welcome to an update on my Nissan Leaf battery replacement attempt. I don't know if that's a good way to call it because I've only called the dealer, well, I've called a couple of dealers actually, and they don't want to replace the battery. And they convinced me that the warranty does not apply. I've lost 8 capacity bars. I think I still have a couple of months until I hit the 8-year mark, and I only have 134,000 kilometers on the odometer. Before I get into that though, I would like to do a public service announcement. Don't get old. This morning I was hanging out on the couch and I got up and I thought I had some kind of a weird, it wasn't a pain. It was kind of sore when I took a deep breath. And then all of a sudden I got this shooting pain up my spine, right between my shoulder blades. But I looked the part. I've got my grandpa shirt on. I've got my cardigan, I think, grandpa cardigan on. Sorry if I just touched the mic there. And that's not really a public service announcement. You don't have a choice. You're going to get old. But just be ready for all this pain and oldness. And I have my coffee here to keep me going, which probably isn't a good idea to have a glass mug in the car. So that's my update. I emailed Nissan Canada, as one of you subscribers, I think, mentioned in the comments. So thank you for that tip. I did that. Did I say email? I called them. It's early. It's not even 7 o'clock yet. I'm parked outside of work, ready to go, but my mind is not quite there yet. So I need to sharpen up my mind before I go to the office. Anyways, I called them on Saturday, right after they closed. They're open from 7 to 11. And they said they would call me back. Well, the automated thing said that I should leave a message and they'll call me back. They haven't called me back yet. It is Wednesday. Yesterday was the first business day here in Canada because the day before that was Canada Day. And of course, I'm posting this video way later than that. Hopefully by now they called me. And I'll let you know what happens. But so far, there's nothing. Nothing. And I'd love a new battery. That would be amazing. A $7,500 battery replacement for free. So I'll keep you posted. Come back. Thanks for watching this super boring and random video. Cheers.